Hey guys, this is Tepco Cycle Repair. Today we're going to be talking about how to wire in that sixth speaker. So this is a 1997 Ford E350. It's a club wagon. So you got to find out where these wires are coming from, because in this van it's not wired for the speaker. And this is the speaker you can see that's on the left-hand side in the side panel. I got this bracket from another van, and looking at all the wires in here, there's no free wires that are going to the speakers. But there are two plugs down here. You have a gray plug. There we go. We have the gray plug right there on the right and the black plug on the left. I've unplugged the black one, but you can see right behind it where it plugs in. Now, looking at the wires right there, see if that'll focus for you. All right, you have two wires. You can see the two wires that I have pulled out to the side. It's a pink wire with a maybe a gray stripe on it, and a black one with a white stripe. They're the two wires that are just one inside from the left right there. All right, those two wires are going to be our wires for the speakers. The negative is going to be the all right, here you got, this is going to be your negative, and this is going to be your positive, all right? And you can see they're not the first group of wires, it's the second group of wires right there, all right? So those are your positive and negative for the sixth speaker, for the middle on the driver's side of the Ford Econoline van. Just tap into those and you'll have this speaker set up. All right, guys, that's just a quick video. Until next time, this is Tepco Cycle Repair.